What's up guys? Nico here with Mario. Pag-uusapan natin yung PBA quarterfinals. Pero bago yun, dahil yung
I'm back.
playoffs is this Wednesday, pag-usapan muna
Mhm.
natin yung a team that was supposed to be, they were the defending champions ng Commissioner's Cup with the Benny Boatwright.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, they didn't qualify. They didn't even
Bro,
make
I
it to the
said
8th
it.
seed.
I even said it in one of our podcasts. I was like, oh, sino kaya yung magiging 8 seed? Ito, and I was like, hindi puta, akala mo naman hindi SMB yung magiging 8 seed. Pucha, mali nga, hindi talaga SMB yung magiging 8 seed, putek. Uh,
Hindi nga sila 8th
man,
seed.
hindi
9th
talaga
seed
sila
sila.
8 seed. Tanggal nga sila, pre. And honestly, very surprising. But when you look at it in totality, it's
Oo.
a mix of the league admittedly has gotten a bit better. When you look at it when you look at it in full, the league has gotten better. And second to that is um sorry, wait lang. Oh shit. And then second to that is uh SMB just isn't necessarily the same SMB. You know what I mean?
Oo.
Like And it starts, I think the first thing we want to talk about is those imports, dude. Oh shit. Uh
It's a
Brother,
carousel of imports.
you can't
Swipe
have
right,
four
swipe right,
imports in
swipe right.
one conference and pretend and expect to win. I think they played one for literally one game nga, di ba?
Was it
I don't know
Quincy?
if
Eh, Quincy Miller
Hindi,
ba?
hindi,
Or
hindi.
si ano?
Yung
Di, ay,
pangalawa.
si Torren Jones. Si Torren Jones.
Yeah. Bro, they like I don't understand it. Are there what is wrong coaching? Is it a coaching thing? Is it the import doesn't fit thing? Kasi it's surprising eh. You really wouldn't expect for them not to make it to anything at any point. Even the playoffs. Sige, pwede silang matagal sa first round. Pwede naman. Pero hindi umabot sa playoffs. And that makes
That's ano,
the
crazy,
import
ano.
thing make
Oh.
sense. And admittedly, when you look at the games, none of their imports look like they... none of the imports look like they fit.
It,
And it's been a problem with SMB for a while. 'Di ba? They always have a problem finding an import that will actually fit their game. EJ Anosike wasn't really the import that fit their game, right?
Oy, pero si
Like,
Arosica tumagal. Nag-playoff sa
tumagal
SMB
din siya eh. Yeah,
with EJ Arosique.
Jordan Adams ba yun?
But
Jordan
he got
Adams?
injured. But he got
Yeah,
injured.
yun
Sayang lang.
pwede
He would have
pa.
stayed till the end.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Okay siya. Pero ever since then, the imports just they aren't they don't fit. And it was very obvious that they didn't fit at all. I don't understand why they don't fit. Because if you look at SMB's roster, kayang-kaya naman nila mag-adjust, man. Like, they have it. But ayun nga. One of the major problems of why SMB didn't make it is because of those imports. They just didn't fit. And it's either they didn't fit or they weren't given the chance to fit. I don't know, it could go either way, diba? Pero for me, they just didn't fit. The best fit talaga is a shooting big man who
Parang si
can
Quincy
rebound the
Miller na yung
ball.
pinaka-fit doon. Siya na yung, if it, yung just
Yeah,
yung hinihingi mo, parang Quincy
exactly.
Miller na yun eh. Pero again, di natin alam
Exactly.
ano nangyayari behind the scenes. Is
Yeah,
tamad ba
behind the
siya?
scenes.
Hindi ba siya trip ng
Agree.
coach? Yun yung mga di natin alam.
Baka, di ba siya din may yung sinabing na tinotoyo ni Aljun Melesio? Siya yun, di ba? Di ba si Aljun yun?
Yeah, yeah. Kasi ano eh, actually Quincy Miller made his name dito sa Philippines when he was playing for Aldenayo. I'm assuming
Yeah,
yung
in
mga PBA fans that
Converge.
follow the podcast know that.
Yeah, yeah. Sabi ni Aljun po. Tapos sabi niya, di ba may something na he
He
didn't
just
go
tweeted the
to...
emoji of a toyo. Para
Hindi.
Pato.
Yung he went to a party, he was late the next day, tapos sinuspend siya.
Was it like his
Tapos,
birthday or something? May occasion eh. There's a reason
oh,
why na ano.
yeah, may something, I remember.
Ah,
And then, the next game he played, di na siya tumira. Tag 2 points siya. Alala ko
oo,
yun. Alam ko
nagdrama
yun.
siya.
Oh, alam ko yun kasi
Pero yung point na yun,
uh,
I think si Coach Ayo was telling him na pass the ball kasi parang ano eh, more of
Pakaw naman
iba
talaga siya nun, pre.
pero iba pa yung sinuspend siya for the party.
Ay, iba
Iba
ba
pa
yun?
yun. He was
Yeah,
late
yeah,
eh.
yeah.
He was tardy. Pero ito, napagsabihan siya. It is a different occasion na. Napagsabihan siya and the way he responded was like, hindi ako titira.
Oh, sige. Yeah,
Oh,
hindi talaga siya tumira. He only
Tinoyo
had
nga.
2 points. He only had 2 points. In the third quarter, he took in the third quarter, he took a layup. Alam ko yun kasi hinebra kalaban nila nun eh. Tapos sabi ko, gagi, kung seryoso lang si Quincy, baka tambak
Baka
pa to.
nanalo pa.
Baka nanalo pa, kaso ayaw
Yun
niya.
yung may Jeron ka pa, no? May Jeron, may Mav. Nung time na
Oh,
yun.
yan yung
Yun yung
time
ano
na,
eh.
yan yung time na medyo on the rise na onte ang Converge. Pero kinukulang pa rin yung mga Mava Hamisi, Jeron Teng, yun yung Jeron Teng na bago mag-SMB, yung magaling pa.
Yeah, 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 yung magaling
Um,
pa. Or serviceable pa.
uh,
Serviceable
yeah, yung
pa talaga.
serviceable. Well, to be fair, feeling ko serviceable pa rin siya basta wala siya sa SMB. Um, Second is, yun nga, si Aljun was still there. Kevin Rakal, I think, was still a major um, facet of that team. May isa pa na medyo, I think si Mav na yung pinakamagaling nila
Si
doon
Mav
the
na yung
time.
second best player nun. Pumutok si
Yeah,
Mav nun eh.
yeah. Yan ba yung Yusuf Taha? Taha ba nun? Ay,
I don't
hindi.
remember. I don't remember
Hindi
Taha.
ata
It's
yun.
it's for me it's always Mav, Jeron, Aljun
Yeah,
Menesio.
that was that team. That's that team.
Oo.
Yeah. Basta, so maybe there's something na hindi natin alam about Quincy Miller behind, backstage, behind the curtains. Pero siya yung pinaka-fit out of all of them.
Oo, siya yung
And
pinaka-fit.
yeah, and again, the revolving door of imports made it very, very hard for them to even find any sense of rhythm with one another. Yun talaga yun.
Agree. That's the first one. Madami to eh. Pangalawa is yung turnover ng coaching reigns, no? Mid-conference, nagpalit ng coach, which means different system, substitution
Hmm.
patterns, lineup rotations, combinations.
Hmm.
And alam naman natin na hindi to intrams na maglagay ka ng magaling na player, automatic, diba? Usually in a
Oo.
school intrams,
Guys, PBA na to. Oo. Hindi
PBA
na
na
to
to.
skill only. Oo.
Everybody needs to adjust. All the
Oo.
small parts, kailangan mag-adjust.
Oo. And
Especially Junmar, di ba? Like, may superstar ka
kita
na
mo
nag-iba
talaga
yung ano
eh.
eh.
Pero admittedly, I'll be as frank
Oh,
as I
go, go,
think I
go.
can be. I do think SMB played better under Coach Leo. I do think that, ha. I think they played better under Coach
I also
Leo.
agree. I agree. I agree.
Pero they still didn't look good. They still did not look good in how I see it. Ah.
Kasi
Uh,
feel ko, yung mga sprinkle of Terence, Chris Ross, di ba? I think for the first three games or first four games sa SMB, babad siya eh. Parang 25 minutes per game, no first four games si Coach Leo. And I think
yeah.
this Coach Leo just going back to his roots na this guy never failed me in the past. And then, buti
Yes.
naman, he made the change. Fuck, kailangan ko na mag-wami at may Don. Kailangan ko na sa
Guy,
baso.
putik ah. Ito ah. Ito ah.
Oh.
I don't want to be the rude motherfucker who says it, but I will say it.
Kaya kita
I
ini-invite dito
fucking
eh.
I fucking told you all. Not to be rude, but Wami Chongson looks a lot better on Terra Firma than he looks on SMB. I fucking said it the moment the trade was made, diba? Sabi ko, guys, mabibigla kayo. Pero it won't be the same. And it was not the same. Iba ang, iba ang laro ng tao when they are no longer the first option and when they no longer get to do whatever the fuck they want. This time, you have to feed the ball to Junmar Fajardo. Okay, Junmar isn't free. CJ, do whatever the fuck you want. Okay, CJ, you aren't free. Marshall, do whatever the fuck you want. And then you give it to Wami. Iba na yun. Again, you saw a Wami in Terra Firma who was number one option and admittedly the best option at that time. Now, he's a number four option. Okay? Ang hirap maghanap ng rhythm kung number four option ka, men. Sobrang hirap maghanap ng rhythm sa ganun. And this is gonna sound insanely, it's gonna sound insane for me to say, pero pag tinignan mo talaga yung roster ng SMB, are you actually moved by it?
Parang after Junmar and CJ, tapos Marcio, parang, ah.
Yeah, exactly, di ba?
Pero fan ako ni Wami for me, parang, nakita ko
Di
ang
lang,
pangalan ni Wami. On paper, parang, uy, lakas to ah. Wami Johnson, CJ
yeah.
Perez. But then, after seeing this conference, sabi ko, puta, ano nangyari dito?
It doesn't, it doesn't work, man. Not gonna lie. Unless you get, or maybe, again, we have to bring this into
Pero
a
yun na,
conversation. Baka
benefit
wala
of the
pang
doubt. It's
chemistry.
yeah,
Di
yeah.
ba?
Benefit of the doubt.
Baka wala
Pinasok
pang
mo si Coach
chemistry.
Leo mid-season.
Oh, yun, sige. Benefit of the doubt natin yan. Baka wala pa silang chemistry, hands up ako dun. Sige. May chance naman yun. There's a genuine chance that that's true na wala pa silang chemistry. So, maybe next conference, if they have the same roster, it will be different. Pero, man, it didn't look good. No matter what, whichever coach was coaching them, it didn't look good either way. It was a little better under Coach Leo, yes, pero it didn't look good either way.
Agree. And people forget to realize na slotting Wami in, a high usage player, making him adjust that much. Bro, takes a while talaga. Kailangan niya i-rewire yung brain niya na ganito ako naglalaro for past
Yeah.
years.
Pre, admittedly, let's be as real as fuck.
Mm.
Wala namang sistema yung Terra Firma eh.
It's give the Wami or Stephen Hot
Give
the ball.
Wami or Steve the ball, putik kayo baka sa
O
buhay
sarabi
niyo
ko
pa
si
rin.
GDL. Pag
Oo.
na-deny yung first action, nasa si GDL?
Sa JDL. Uy, shit, ang laki pala ni Isaac Gus sa ilalim. Bigyan na natin sa kanya.
Open
Mga
si
ganyan.
Isaac sa tres. Nasa si Isaac!
Bigyan ka sa akin. Mga ganyan. Wala
Ah.
silang sistema doon. In SMB, you're actually playing organized basketball. And now,
Yeah.
Wami, I think, has got it adjusted. Siguro mag-a-adjust yan. I doubt naman na he will not adjust. I'm assuming he will look better next conference if he's still there. Um, kailangan may caveat eh. Pero,
Magandang
again,
ano eh, transition to the next one na talaga. Ay, for later pala. But yeah,
yeah,
it's chemistry
lipat na
talaga. Tama
natin.
naman
Susunod
yun.
natin. 4 na lang. 3 na lang yun.
Go!
Sige. So, moving on to the next one as to why it goes to the same roster. Again, this is what I'm saying. Does this roster still scare anyone? Yung totoo? Like, man, if you, okay, not to be rude, or well, actually, to be rude, I guess, a little bit. If you line up the rosters of SMB, Hinebra, and and TNT, SMB is at the bottom. SMB is third.
TNT, Hinebra, SMB. Ano yung isa?
Yun nga, tatlo, 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 tatlo.
Okay, Tatigay
No.
4. Sorry.
SMB is at the bottom of the three.
I agree.
Kasi,
I would have Hinebra and TNT over SMB right now.
exactly. JMF, yes, is the number one player still among all bigs in the league. CJ Perry is a top five guard in the league. Yes, that's flat out. And then what? You know what I mean? Tapos, like, Hinebra has Scotty, Mav, Jamie,
Dami,
Stephen.
bro.
Ang dami ng SM, ang dami Hinebra. I mean, Troy Rosario. Oh, wow, I forgot Troy. RJ
Barrientos.
Abarientos, may Isaac Go pang injured, may Jeremiah Gray ka pang injured, may Raymond Ag ay sorry, may Japet Aguilar ka
May
pa.
Ralph Koo. May
May
Ralph
Ralph Koo ka
Koo.
pa, the GOAT na Ralph Koo. Alam niyo yun? And then when you look at TNT's roster, they have R.R. Pogoy, Jason Castro, who is still one of the most serviceable guards in the league. No
Finals
matter
MVP
who gives,
yan. Wag ka,
oh,
no disrespect. Finals
no matter
MVP.
who gives me shit about that, guys. Jason Castro is still serviceable as fuck up to now. You have Calvin Oftana, you have Reynam Batak, you have BGR who's injured right now, pero still BGR is BGR. You still have decent bigs in Poy Eram. And off the bench, they have a pretty good lineup of um Kim Aurin and
Kinukubunti.
Kelly Williams.
Mm.
You know what I mean? Jello Razon even maybe a little bit. So when you put it up against SMB's lineup, Junmar Fajardo, who is 30 something years old, CJ Perez, who is 20 something years old, then what? Marshall Aster, yes, best shooter in the league still right now if you ask me. Pero is Don Troliano still that same guy? I don't think so. Is Jericho
Parang
Cruz still that?
specialist na lang si Don. Parang naging
Oh
special.
man.
Scorer specialist na lang si Don.
Is Jericho still the same guy? No, he's not. Jeron is not the same guy. Motau Tua is not the same guy. And it's all because, as weird as it is to say, masyado kang nag-stack ng players. You stacked your players so much that they forgot what made them, for me, they forgot yung best parts about themselves. Naging ano na lang sila, naging relegated to, yung dating pwedeng maging star, na-relegate to to being role players. That's the difference between how SMB, how Ginebra handles it, and how TNT handles it for me.
Mm.
Ginebra's roster is stacked. Pero when you do it, when you actually look at it, can you actually tell me any of them actually play like role players now? Di ba hindi? At some, star players pa rin sila lahat eh. They're all acting like star players. They all perform like star players when they need to. When you look at TNT, they all act like star players when they need to. But when you look at SMB, only two people are acting like star players. The
Junmar
rest are
CJ. Junmar
merely,
CJ.
yeah, the rest are merely acting like they are role players. And
Nawala na
it's
yung ano yun, no?
nawala na
The
yung
reason
fortune
why
sa
they were
kanila,
traded
pre.
for in the first place. Nawala na yung,
Yeah.
oh, kala ko ba Jeron Tenga? Kala ko
Oh,
ba Mota Tua ka?
exactly. Guys, Motau Tua, don't get putek. Lagay mo yan sa Terrafield mo, puta, yan, makamaw yan.
Double-double for sure.
Pucha.
Bigyan nyo sa NLEX. Kailangan namin yan.
Uy, totoo, bigyan nyo sa inyo. Uy,
Kailangan namin
gago,
yan.
oo nga, no.
Kailangan
Pwede
namin si
yan. Hey,
Bo.
man. Hey, man. NLEX management, if you're listening to this, trade for Motau Tua. I think the trade should be Motau Tua for Jan Nermal and Enoch Valde.
Actually, wait. An Enoch, Jan, Richie Roger.
Pwede. 'Di ba? Give
Tapos
SMB.
Mo. Ano?
Yeah.
3 players to 1. Maybe one more. Sino ba bang pwede nila? Enciso! I mean, Enciso! Hindi nyo yung ginagamit eh. Si Simon.
Wala nga. Gusto nga kayo maglaro eh. Like, guys,
Oo.
again, there's something wrong with the build of SMB's roster sa
Oo.
tingin ko. Yun talaga yun. It's either your stars, I mean, it's either your stars are starting to look like role players, or you don't actually have people who know how to who know how to be role players. That's basically it. That's why for me, medyo may mali talaga sa, um, there's nothing wrong with the build of SMB. Don't get me wrong, guys. They are still a good team one by one. Pero when you put it all together, it just doesn't fit. Ganun yung magiging itsura ng Lakers with Luka and LeBron. Like, yung mga, yung mga ganyan, man. Like, one of them, it's gonna look a little weird. I thought kind of does look weird.
Yeah, so yun yung roster issue nga ng SME, which is I think a 1A, 1B problem along with the coaching, no, with regard
I
to
think
bakit
what
sila
happens
nagkakagulo.
is, oh, I think what happens is like, sige, may 1A ka, may 1B ka, tapos
May
yung next
1C,
number,
yung import
oh,
din, malaki, especially na
di, wala
commissioners,
rin. Oh,
yung
wala rin yung
import you
import.
feel like has been like it doesn't have that much big of an impact.
Dude,
Parang
their
ano lang
import.
siya. It's a small
I'll be as honest
microcosm
as I
lang.
can, dude.
Oo.
Their imports is this conference were doggy. Like, like, dude, none of them fit except for Quincy, who,
Bak yun nga, di
um,
natin alam ang nangyari, bakit
yeah,
siya
we don't
pinakawalan
know
agad.
anything that happened, right? So, for me, I guess just find. There's not SMB has the ability to find all the talent in the world. They can pay for all the talent, but I think there is genuinely something wrong with finding the proper fit. You know what I mean? How many championships have they actually won with Jericho Cruz and Don Troliano in the lineup?
Bago lang si Don, ah. So parang,
Bago lang ba si Don? Di ba last year na siya? Mga 2 years na siya, di ba? 1 year pa lang.
oh, we got Bolick last year, didn't we? Or, ano ba?
Well,
Ay,
di ba
hindi,
galing SM?
2023.
Yeah,
2023.
like
Kailan
two
ba na?
years, right?
Wow, bilis, no?
Yeah,
2025 na
like two
pala.
years.
Oo nga.
Genuinely, guys. We weird to say, but are SMB really still that? Oh my God, SMB
Hindi
type
na
of
ganun
team?
eh.
I
Pero
don't think
okay,
they are
SME.
anymore. Yeah, okay, SMB kaya ng Northport
NX
yan.
plays well against SME. We beat SME. We can beat
Lagi
SME.
na, lagi naman nagilit yan si Bolik sa SMB.
Hindi ko alam. Basta
Nagalit yan
alam
sa
ko lang,
SMB.
nananalo kami sa SME.
Or
Na, na,
nakikita
na,
ni
na,
Bolik yung SMB, sabi niya, ay putang, yung SMB. Oh." Palagin ko nga
Four-pointer ko
yun.
nga to. Boog.
4 pointer ko ano mga to. Pagtatawanan ko lang yung mga yan, pre. Ganyan si, ganyan si
I
Rocket eh.
love it when a player just plays so well against a particular team and you don't
SMB
really know the
talaga.
reason why. Pero parang,
Oo.
you cannot confirm, di ba? Pero wala namang confirmation eh. It's just that you
Oh,
just
guys,
build
I
theories in
don't,
your head.
yeah, but you guys can't tell me you guys didn't notice that Robert Bolick gives an absolute, he gives 300,000% more against the SMB. But I love it. It's funny to watch. Anyway, another thing I was gonna bring up is the reason why SMB didn't make the playoffs is that, and people are gonna hate that I'm gonna say this, but the reality is they are there is a certain sense of parity in the league now. There is quite a parity in the league.
Sobrang dami na talented players eh. Kasi
Guys, yes.
the teams hindi dumagdag eh. Ganun pa rin eh. So all the more nag-stack lahat kasi hindi naka-balance yung ano eh. 'Di ba?
And
There's
that's
only like how many teams?
yeah.
12? Wait,
They're only
12
12. They're only
PBA teams.
12.
Yeah, 12
12
PBA teams
or
tama.
yeah. Guys,
Wait,
let's talk about the
na.
elephant in the room. Let's talk
Uh,
about the elephant in the room, man. Magnolia shouldn't have made the playoffs either. Like Magnolia was about to not make the playoffs as
yeah,
well.
12 nga tama to. 13 kasi naisip ko 13. Ah, kasi may Eastern kasi naisip ko
In
di ba
Hong Kong,
13.
yeah.
Yeah.
There is
Anyway,
a lot more parity in this league now than people are gonna give it credit for. And obviously that has to do with um what's this
just
called?
just their
Agendas.
talent. Yung talent rin ng
Them talking about why people
Philippines.
still believe na hindi siya balanced. People still
Ah,
believe
yeah,
na
yeah.
hindi balanced ang league because there's a certain agenda out there by certain journalists who will always try to make you believe that the PBA is unfair. But if you actually look at it right now, Northport is number one in the league. Okay? TNT is number two. Okay? Converge
J-
is number three.
Number
Ginebra is number four. Meralco is number five. Rain or Shine is number six. NLEX and Magnolia were seven and eight. Ay, were 8 and 9.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Eastern was number 6. I was number 7. Ah,
Mm.
bobo ba ako?
Hindi,
Tama,
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 tama.
tama.
Alam ko. Kasi
Yeah,
kalaban ng Eastern
guys.
is TNT eh. 2 versus 7. Tama, tama, tama. Yeah.
And the only team who you can genuinely say was bad this conference was Terra Firma. The other teams, Blackwater had injuries to Cedric Bearfield. Di talaga,
Cedric was,
guys, di talaga sila magiging magaling kung wala si Cedric Bearfield. Phoenix was in this. Phoenix was in the fucking mix until maybe the last 1 or 2 weeks of the season. Okay? SMB lost a lot of these games because may other teams who are genuinely better than them na. Hindi na sila ganun other teams aren't as doggy anymore as they used to be. Tang ina, if you put Converge against SMB, I'm picking Converge.
in a series, lalo na this
Yeah,
conference, I'm gonna pick Converge as well.
yeah. If you're putting Northport up against SMB, I'm picking Northport. I'm
In
like these are
two or one. In two or one.
Huwag na lang dumating yung SMB, ganun. like, like guys, even in this upcoming series between Northport and Magnolia, nobody's gonna say it, but Northport genuinely is and should be the favored team because they are the much better team. Gets ba?
You
Wala na
won't
yung
believe
time.
na sinasabi natin to back in 2022 or 2023, no?
Oo.
Di ba?
Again nga, may certain agendas being pushed na the league is unfair. But genuinely, can you actually answer me? Is it actually unfair? Like, I will admit this. The one team where I do think it is unfair is Ginebra. Like,
Eh, tama lang. Okay lang yung Hinebra fan
yeah.
ka. So, you
Like
can
coming
say
from
that
the
na,
mouth of a
yeah, okay.
Ginebra fan, I do truly believe that Ginebra has the most stacked roster in terms of stars. But everywhere else, it is quite spread out, man. You can't tell me it's not spread out at all. It's fine. That's why SMB isn't a surefire playoff team anymore because it's not as easy as it used to be talaga. It's really not as easy anymore. And then finally, I think this is something that has to be worked on. Something has to be changed talaga is why the fuck are we playing in another tournament in the middle of the PBA season?
ESL, no?
Like what are we
Well,
doing, dude?
which speaks about the scheduling, no? Kaya sobrang pagod nila. They play the
Like
ESL, may
pre
PBA.
nonsense. Wait lang ah, may change. I want to prove a point to go along with that.
Sige.
Okay, I found the point. The other team, the Korean team that plays in the EASL, the Busan KCC, they're the
Oo.
fourth worst team in the league. They are the
Doon sa,
fourth worst
ano?
in the KBL, in the
They're
KBL
the
itself.
fourth
Fourth
worst team
worst.
sa
They're the
KBL.
fourth worst team in the league right now, right? You can't tell me that if these guys did not have to go to the EASL, they would be a lot better, or they would feel a lot better. I think the other team in the ASL is SK, right? Tama ba? Soul Knights ba?
SK, yeah,
I'm
yeah,
fairly,
yeah.
I'm fairly certain it's SK who's also in the ASL. Yun, different story kasi putek yung import ng SK, men. That guy is the GOAT, si Jamil
Sino ulit
Warni.
yun? Ay, yeah, si Jamil Warney.
My
Yung pinanood natin
gosh.
sa Phil Sports. Yung galing
My
nito ah.
gosh, man. Y'all don't understand that Jamil Warni is the best import I've seen in all of our leagues. Okay? Like, I remember the time when Andrew Nicholson went to the Philippines and people were
Ah,
like, "Wow, look at this guy." Alam mo yun?
naalala ko
Alam
yun,
mo ba
naalala.
kinakain
Kinakain ni
lang ni
Jamil
Warni yun.
Warney yun.
Kinakain lang niya yun sa KBL. Kinakain lang niya yun. Ginagawa niya ulam time yun eh. As in,
Nasa
like,
NBA ba si Jamil Warney? I've never heard of his name sa NBA. Parang
NCAA,
never.
di siya umabot eh. Di siya umabot ata.
Imagine mo
I
yun,
had to check
iba
because
talaga.
to me, this guy is insane. But again, for the most part, these teams who play, ano check ko ngayon lahat ng liga. Medyo curious ako today. EASL teams. Sorry, medyo lag ako.
Kung sino
EAS.
yung ano.
Oh. Ryukyu Golden
Golden
Kings.
Knights. Ay, Golden Knights. Golden Kings. Ryukyu Gold. Former
Let's see
team ni
how
Carl
they
Tamayo, na hindi siya ginagamit.
Ayun tuloy. Guys, by the way, check out Carl Tamayo. Kevin Kiambao just dropped 36 yesterday.
Wild na, no?
Okay, the Ryukyu. To be fair, they're still number one in their league. So,
Yung
you know,
Ryukyu. Kaya nila magamit si
yeah,
Carl eh. Stacks kasi
yeah.
sila eh.
Hindi, I'm talking about like, even if hindi pala SK yung Busan pala yung yung isang team ng KBL.
Mm.
Hiroshima. Ano standings ng Hiroshima? Hiroshima is number four in their league. Ryukyu is number one, but Ryukyu is very good. Busan Sonic Boom from Korea, who also play in the EASL, are number four in their league as well. So these are teams who it makes no sense for you to be playing in another league while you're doing this. Like nonsense at all talaga. There's a scheduling issue for me with the EASL. Kasi hindi naman yan for me hindi fault ng um hindi fault ng local leagues to. Kasi, if the one league is intersecting all four leagues, sino yung may kasalanan? Yung four leagues o yung one league? Di ba, di ba yung one league na yun yung may kasalanan nun? So, I don't know what to do with that, but it had to have played a factor. And admittedly, you would assume that they'd use their dog shit players in the ASL, but no, they actually use yung real players nila. They use Junmar, they use CJ. You see a little bit more of Jeron Teng, pero again, like I said, so it's a bit different now.
Yeah, ganun nga nangyayari ngayon. Ibang iba na talaga. And last one here is yung I think dumagdag na lang talaga was yung schedule nga ng games, no? Punta sila ng Hong Kong, punta sila ng Japan in a span of 3 weeks. May Ilocos pa sila yung PBA na, di ba sometimes they bring the teams to the province, which
Yeah,
is a great marketing
that's fine
tool
with
na
me.
ginagawa nila. Yeah.
Hmm.
Para hindi na puro taga Manila yung nanonood. And
Yeah.
in a way, for an old-ass team, that really gets to you. Parang, sabi na naman
Yes.
tayo, Japan, Hong Kong, tapos Ilocos.
Yes.
Alam mo,
No
ako,
problem
kung
with
matanda na
recommend.
ako, 34-year-old ako na player.
Fuck! Nagtatravel ako. Ay, nako. Again, the last reason for me is not really their fault. Pero yung other
Oh, yeah,
four,
yeah, yeah. Kaya hinuli natin to eh. Kasi parang
uh,
dagdag na rin. Para lang,
yeah.
just to add more to their woes na,
Yeah.
bro, coach, kailan mo
Disali pa
papaya?
sila sa pang EASL where I don't even think they've won a single game,
They
admittedly.
didn't win anything. Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah. Again, this probably a lot of things came into why SMB didn't make the playoffs. And again, I think this is an official wake-up call to SMB and management na, oh shit, guys. This ain't the same old thing that we always do. This is actually a bit different now.
Yeah. So yun lang naman guys. Ito yung mga rason namin kung bakit nagkaganito ang SMB ngayong Commissioner's Cup Season 49. As always, like, comment, subscribe sa YouTube. Follow nyo si Mario. Diyan naman lagi yung username ni Mario. And then
Yeah.
follow 5-star rating on Spotify. And let us know your thoughts, which you guys always do. Kaya totoo kami sa mga, ano, yung mga laging nasa comments
Oh.
regarding,
Basta ko yung final thought ko, SGA got screwed.
oh, ay,
Anyway,
may sasabihin ako sa'yo offline regarding that mamaya after
sige,
this
go
one.
lang.
All right, thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe.